Hello guys, hope you're all doing good, and I'm back with the next vlog as I had promised regarding how to fix vehicles punctures. So my perspective is, maybe I am traveling alone, or I do not have much space in hand, or if I'm riding a bike, or even if you are traveling in a small car. So how do you fix a puncture all by yourself without being screwed by puncture walas, which is a, I mean, see in entire India, wherever you go, people are there to con you, especially the puncture wala. So I have, met people who have had 38 punches in one single tire. Come on, how can that be? So those are scams. But how to, get past those scams, never to stop anywhere, so that you can fix your puncture all by yourself. So these are the three means that I'm going to discuss. I'll start with the most advanced one. So the most advanced is, and most hassle-free, absolutely hassle-free, is this one by MOTUL. So what it does is you fix it to the nozzle of the tire. Okay, so what happens is that it releases a foam, and that foam also fills up the air in your tire. So within a few minutes you are ready to go from that place. Of course, what the drawback with this is that you will need to actually fix your tire from somewhere known to you, from a place which is known to you. You know the mechanic, after maybe like 300 or 400 kilometers. So that would work that way. So this is the quick fix that you can have in absolutely remote areas where there is absolutely nothing. But the most important ingredient to the entire thing is this. If you forget this, you are actually screwed. So you need this plier to pull out the nail or whatever has gotten into the tire. So you need that. You need this. And the next one is the more conventional one, but this is dependent on this. How I tell you? Okay. So this is the usual puncture repair kit for tubeless tires. And mind you, this one also works for tube type tires, but this won't. This is just for tubeless tire. But I assume that most of us would be riding on tubeless tires by now. So this has just two. I'll open it for you. In most cases, you won't need this to properly drill the puncture. So you won't need that. So what you need is this. So you need to pull out one and put it across inside this, almost like 1/3, and then put it in the puncture and then pull it out. So half of it goes inside, and this acts like a valve and seals the tire completely. So I have tested this actually works even if I do it myself, because as you can see that that's a 250 kg bike, and I took it for off-roading after fixing the puncture. So it worked perfectly after that. No air leaks, nothing, absolutely fine. So but this is again dependent on this. You need to pull out the nail or whatever you have in a tire. So now let's come to the third one, which is an innovation by MI. So most of the air filling kits that you have, like those are they need external power. This does not need external power, and it has a battery of its own, and you can also charge it with a power bank. So all you need to do is you need to pull this out, the red one, and fill the air. That's it. You need to select the PSI from here, and then you select this. See, I don't know if I can show you the numbers. This is 45. I don't know if the camera would catch that, but yes, you press it and the horrible sound, yes, it's quite scary. And it also has a light. The lower button, this has a light, and the moment you put it inside, it shuts down. So it can be charged with a USB cable, which is here, micro USB cable. I wish they had given a C-type, but I think it's asking too much from it. It's not a power bank, it's basically a tire air filler. So but yes, you can also fill in footballs, volleyball, or whatever, or even those air sofas and so on, swimming pools, inflatable swimming pools with this one. This is really handy. But yeah, I mean, you can buy any brand, not exactly MI, or you can buy any brand, whatever your choice is. I'm not promoting this in any case. So you have all the three options. This handles all by itself. You need some help, but if you fix it, you also need to fill the air. So here it is. So these are all the three options that you had, and that's all about it. And let me know if you want to review anything in depth, any of the three. You can let me know in the comment section. So that was it. Stay safe, stay healthy, ride safe, ride hard. Bye bye.